So I'm standing in our VR room, and one of the challenges that we've realized over the last couple of years with VR, and it's specifically VR training in factories, is that although we've created some amazing VR content that has taught lots of people on how to use machines and operate a certain, or learn certain processes within a factory, what was missing was actually a learning management platform that was able to manage VR content. Because most organizations want to be able to know who was trained, what is the score, when do they need to be retrained, recertified, etc., etc. That's why we've built a learning management platform that you're able to put VR content onto that allows you to manage VR training within your organization. So let me show you what that looks like. So once you've gone to our online platform and you've actually downloaded this application, you're able to log into the system. Once you've logged in, you're presented with the training simulations that you are allowed to do. We've also enabled 360 video, so it's very simple to create a 360 video of a particular process within your organization and embed that into the same application so you can watch the 360 video in using your VR headsets. So I can see I've got a health and safety training, I've got a toy car assembly, and another production line that I can do training on. So for today, I'm going to actually pick on the toy car assembly, and what I simply have to do is click open, and then it automatically configures and sets up the headsets. So let me actually do the toy car training and show you what that looks like.
Hi. Welcome to the Odin Metaverse. Please select the training simulation you would like to experience. Walk up to the station to start the training. Put on the gloves. Insert the RFID card into the RFID reader. Wait for the workpiece carrier to move into position. Pick part from the flashing dunnage. Place the barcode beneath the chassis in the indicated position. Pick up the scanner and scan the barcode. Then return the scanner to its position. Place the chassis in its position on the workpiece carrier, then press the confirmation button. Pick part from the flashing dunnage. Place the left side panel in its position on the workpiece carrier, then press the confirmation button. Pick part from the flashing dunnage. Place the right side panel in its position on the workpiece carrier, then press the confirmation button. Pick up the vernier and measure the height from the left side panel. Well done! You completed the simulation. To your right you will see your scorecard. You can restart the simulation or move on to the next one.
As you saw in the simulation, the results were actually displayed to me on how I performed in that training module. But we can get more detailed information from the application itself. Come have a look. So I simply click on the results tab, and I'm able to see my training simulations for today. As I can see, there were 2 of them. So I can click on this particular one, and I can actually have a look and see for every single training simulation, the process, so put on gloves, RFID tag, pick chassis, and the time it took for each of those. And I can actually see I had one failure here because I forgot to put the left panel in. So this is one level of detail. We've actually got another level of detail that we can actually show our customers. So I've picked Connor over here because he's done more training. So if I go into Connor's user profile, I can have a look and see how many operations, what trainings have been done over the year. And I can see in April he's actually he's attempted the training 18 times. So if I click on that, I can go into more detail and see actually on the 17th he's actually done that training simulation 10 times. And if I wanted to, as I showed you earlier, I could actually go in and show you the results of each of those simulations. And what we've realized is that this was the missing link for us in VR training, was actually being able to create a learning management platform that allows the wide adoption of VR for our customers and training departments.